Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about the BSPS base shear plate. Before I can get into that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification button at the bottom so you don't miss out on our other videos. The BSPS solid base shear plate is a tested high capacity connector designed for base shear applications. It is engineered from high strength steel, includes a powder coated finish, and is lightweight and easy to transport. It's specifically designed to attach to CLT shear walls and onto the concrete foundation. The BSPS base shear connectors are installed onto the timber element using ASSI Combi 1/2 inch by 5.5 inch self-tapping screws. These Combi self-tapping screws have an ICC approval in the United States and a CCMC approval in Canada. They're specifically designed for high-capacity steel-to-wood connections and can be installed either using a magnetic socket or an AW drive bit. The bottom of the connector is installed onto the concrete foundation using anchor rods specified by the design engineer, as they're not part of the hardware package provided. Detailed capacity and system behavior of the BSPS base shear plate can be found in MTC Solutions Connector Design Guide, which you can download off of our website. That concludes the video. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you next time.